Hello everyone, we are going to see about controllers. In AngularJS, controllers are JavaScript functions that are responsible for defining the behavior of a specific view or a group of views. They act as intermediators between the model data and the view UI, handling user interactions, updating the models as necessary, and updating the view of reflect any changes in the model. Controllers play a crucial role in implementing the business logic of an application and orchestrating the interaction between different parts of the application. Key concepts. Scope. Controllers are associated with the scope object which serves as the context for the data and functions defined within the controller. The scope object acts as a bridge between the controller and the view, allowing data binding and event handling. Data binding. The controllers facilitate data binding between the model and the view, allowing you to bind data from the model to the view and vice versa. This enables dynamic rendering of content based on the application state. Dependency injection. AngularJS uses dependency injection to provide controller with access to other components such as services, factories, and providers. This promotes modularity and reusability by allowing controllers to depend on external services rather than creating them internally. View logic. Controllers encapsulate the view logic of an application, including handling user input, performing validation, and formatting data for display and responding to user actions such as clicks, key press, etc. Now I am going to show you how to create a controller using HTML. For that I have created a simple HTML template. Now inside div I want to call ng app equal to ng controller equal to h2 and I'm going to get the message. Now I'm going to type AngularJS inside script. Now I'm going to define an AngularJS module. If we save this, see we are getting hello from my control. Like this, we want to use control. Plus, we define an AngularJS module called my app. Inside the module, we have defined a controller called my control and attach it to the my app module. The controller sets the value of the message variable in its scope to hello from my control. In the HTML template, we use the ng app directory to bootstrap the my app module and the ng controller directory to attach the my control controller to a specific element. The expression message in the template displays the value of the message variable defined in the controller scope. When you run this code in a browser, you will see a message hello from my control displayed on the web page, demonstrating the usage of controllers in AngularJS to define the behavior of a specific view. Thank you.